Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Ebonique Luxe back with another video. If you're new, welcome. If you are not new, what it do, baby boo? So this video today is going to be about how I do these soft locks on my 6-year-old, soon to be 7-year-old. Her birthday is September 16th. I'm using this Mayday hair in the Wavy Island Gorgeous Locks in a 12-inch. And now I'm just going to be parting her hair, just parting it half up, half down, just so I can get my sections together. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so I have the back of her hair parted off, and now I'm just gonna go in with my edge booster and just to go ahead and go on her part with that, just so I can make my part nice and crispy, nice straight line, as straight as I can get it. Okay, now that I have her hair sectioned off, I just went ahead and made my first 4 parts in the back. As you can see here, I just went ahead and parted it, put the edge booster in between, like on the parts. And then I just went ahead and braided those 4 sections. And now I'm showing you the wrapping hair that I'm going to be using. It's still the same brand, the same made hair in the what was it, the Gorgeous Wave. That's the same hair that I'm using. Okay, at this point you just want to brush that hair out and make sure it's nice and fluffy. The fluffier it is, the better it looks when you're wrapping around, and you can use less hair when it's more fluffy too. Okay, so now at this point, I'm going to be crocheting the locks onto her hair. And you just push the crochet needle through your braid, and there's a loop on the lock. You just put the loop onto the needle, hook it on, pull it through, and then pull the bottom of the lock through that same loop to make sure you're locking it in, so it doesn't slip off her hair or anything like that. I pull it a little bit tight just to make sure it's up there and it's not like a big knot right there for when I go to wrap the hair. And that's pretty much it for putting the lock on with the crochet needle. Okay, so now I'm going to begin to wrap the hair. So you can do it any way you want. I kind of just fold mine in half, and then I make sure I have a good grip at the base. And then because this is my baby girl, she's only 6, so I don't try to wrap too tight at the base. I try to just do 2 loops or 2 wraparounds at the base so that it doesn't get too tight on her head. And then I just go ahead and start to wrap down. And when I'm wrapping at the top, I leave it kind of loose, like I said, because I don't want her hair to be too tight. And then once I get down, maybe like half an inch, then I pull it tighter just to make sure it's not going to come out. It's not going to go anywhere. And then I just keep on wrapping, keep on wrapping, keep on wrapping. If you need to add more hair, you can add more hair just to cover up her real hair. But other than that, you just wrap, 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 wrap. Okay, so this is the finished product. I think it came out really cute. Y'all see my girl baby hairs, or as my baby Navy says, her baby lines. Her baby lines is looking real cute. I think it came out real cute. I think I did a really good job. This was my first time doing it on her. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if this is something you would try on your daughter. And like always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Show your girl some love. We on the road to 1K. And I will see you guys in the next video.